Welcome to Section 2.3, Visualizing Data. In this section, we'll learn how to use charts and graphs to explore and communicate data effectively. Visualizing data can reveal patterns, trends, and potential problems that may not be obvious from summary statistics alone. Graphs can help us spot patterns and relationships, detect outliers or errors, understand the shape of the data, is it symmetric, skewed, or multimodal? Communicate findings to others in a clear and accessible way. A good visualization complements your numeric summaries and helps tell the full story of your data. There are many ways to visualize data, but choosing the right tool matters. Use bar charts for categorical variables. Use histograms for continuous variables. Use boxplots to summarize continuous data and compare groups. Each of these serves a different purpose, and we'll see examples of each. A bar chart displays data in discrete categories, such as blood types or survey responses. The height of each bar represents the count or percentage of observations in that category. Bar charts are ideal for comparing categories side by side. Remember, for categorical data, always use a bar chart, not a histogram. A histogram is used to display the distribution of a continuous variable. Here, the x-axis is divided into bins, intervals of the continuous variable, and each bar shows how many data points fall into that bin. Histograms help us see the shape of the distribution, whether it's symmetric, skewed, or multimodal. For example, you might plot a histogram of blood pressure values or cholesterol levels. A boxplot or box and whisker plot provides a compact summary of a continuous variable. The box shows the interquartile range IQR, the middle 50% of the data. The line inside the box marks the median. The whiskers extend to typical values. Points beyond the whiskers are outliers. Boxplots are especially useful when you want to compare distributions across groups. When interpreting a boxplot, pay attention to the median line. Is it centered or off-center? The IQR, a tall box, means more variability in the central 50% of the data. The whiskers, longer whiskers, indicate more spread. Any outliers shown as points beyond the whiskers. Boxplots can reveal skewness and outliers quickly. Here's an example comparing systolic blood pressure between two age groups. The older group has a higher median BP and more variability. The younger group has a lower median BP and a tighter distribution. There are also outliers in the older group. This visual tells us much more than reporting the mean alone would. Creating these visualizations is straightforward with modern tools. In Excel, bar chart insert column chart. Histogram insert statistical chart. Boxplot insert box and whisker chart. In R, use barplot, hist, and boxplot. You'll practice making these plots this week. Good visualizations are essential to good data analysis. They help reveal the full story. They can highlight issues you might miss with just summary statistics. They make your work more accessible to your audience. Always label your axes clearly, include units where appropriate, and choose the right type of chart for your data. Next, we'll continue building on this foundation with tools to describe relationships between variables.